Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. I hope you guys had a great weekend, but it's time to do your research and get back into the market, guys. So right now, the market is down about 0.5% in the past 24 hours. Bitcoin is trading at around 35,000, so we have made a pullback obviously in the past few days. Ethereum is down to about 2,200 right now. It's actually in the green for the day, but it is a little bit down in the past few days after we saw what the Fed said on Tuesday and Wednesday. Pretty much the stock market sold off a little bit, and so did crypto. So we did not break through those 40,000 highs for Bitcoin, and we have taken a little bit of a loss. So right now, if we take a look, the market, most of these coins are pretty much flat, but obviously we have some that are outperformers, either outperforming on the positive or the negative. We have Doge down about 5%, so we're definitely going to be looking into that and talking about that towards the end of the video. We have some other outliers where are green about 2 to 3%, and obviously some that are down a little bit, 3 to 7% as well. So that's obviously a normal thing because there's going to be fluctuations in the market. Crypto is very, very volatile, which is something you guys already know if you guys are invested into crypto. The prices can fluctuate on up and down very quickly. It's not, a surprise for these coins to go up 100% or down 100% in a matter of days just based off of some news that comes out. Now, obviously, the top gainer in the past 24 hours is actually going to be right here. So it's going to be Distinct OX, DNT. And this one is actually up about 28% in the past 24 hours. We see this huge pop from about 11 cents all the way to highs of about 17, and then a pullback. Market cap right under 100 million right now. In the past week, it's up 8%. The past month, down 31%, and in the past year, it's up 2,000%. But that is just the hot coin right now that is getting a lot of attention. You guys let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about this coin? Is this coin even worth investing in? But before we get into this altcoin countdown, we're gonna be looking at 4 altcoins to buy right now. Before we get into that, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification to get notified every time we make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, there's gonna be a link in the description. Get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $1,800 when you sign up today. So let's get into it, guys. The first altcoin on our list is going to be Uniswap. The ticker symbol is going to be UNI. So this one is up about 3%. It's currently trading at around $20. We see this fluctuation from the 20 range all the way down to 18 and then back up to almost 21. This just happened over the weekend, so on Sunday that's what happened. But the coin is up 3% almost in the past 24 hours. Market cap on this coin is at around 11.6 billion right now, with the volume in the past 24 hours at 354.8 million. Now, Uniswap, for those of you who don't know, is an Ethereum token that powers Uniswap, an automated liquidity provider that's designed to make it easy to exchange Ethereum tokens. There is no order book or central facilitator on Uniswap. Instead, tokens are exchanged throughout the liquidity pools that are defined by smart contracts. Now, this one, if we take a look at the 1 week chart, it is down about 13% from highs of about 24.68. In the past month, it's down 23.8%. And then on the 1 year chart, the coin is up over 549% from lows of about $3 or so, hitting highs up here, at the pretty much bull top that we saw here, the resistance at $45, pulled back down to about 16, less than 16, close to 15 actually at one point in May. But the good thing is we've been staying above that $15 range ever since. So we are in a consolidation period right now with a little bit of a downtrend. So we're going to be looking forward to is obviously to see how Bitcoin is going to perform in the next few months, because that will, set the trajectory for the rest of cryptos, because most of the time as the large cap coins perform well, then the mid cap and the low cap coins follow. And then obviously if it's the opposite where Bitcoin, large cap coins do bad, then the mid cap and the low cap coins start to, do bad as well. So they all follow each other. The trends follow each other. And as well, as the patterns go on, we saw a lot of momentum happen in April and May in the crypto space. And now we're seeing a little bit of a cool down, a little bit less interest. But we've seen this cycle happen in the past with stocks, penny stocks, meme stocks, different things going on. So this is a normal part of the cycle, guys. So Uniswap is definitely going to be one of those coins that we're going to be watching in the next few months to see how it will perform, because it has a lot of potential. If you guys check them out, they do different things on there. I believe they have farming, they have staking, different type of things with Uniswap as well. So the next altcoin, the second one, is going to be Aave. So Aave is one that we've recently, really became fans of on this channel. So Aave is actually up about 2.8% as well. Currently trading at 263.8, so $263. Market cap on this one is super low, only 3.4 billion. So this one has the potential to do, a 15 to 20x, maybe even more in the future. Volume in the past 24 hours at 237.8 million. And what does Aave do? For those of you who don't know as well, well is going to be an Ethereum token that powers Aave, a decentralized non-custodial money market protocol where users can participate as depositors or borrowers. Depositors provide liquidity to the market to earn a passive income, while the borrowers are able to borrow cryptocurrencies in exchange for, paying a variable interest rate as well. So this one in the past week, how is it performing? So 16% down from highs of over 336. In the past month, down 43%, but we're still not at those lows that we saw after the market crashed. Now, in the past year, this coin is up over 50,000%, guys. Insane gains were made on some of these coins. I mean, this coin a year ago was worth around 50 cents or so, under 50 cents at one point in October right there. So obviously the coin hasn't even been out for a year, and it's made over 50,000% gains, guys. Hitting highs up here of over $670, guys. That is insanity right there. Yeah, I believe at certain points up here, we might have been over 100,000% profit for anybody that got in. Just imagine if you would have bought like 10 coins for $5. 10 coins would have been worth $5. Well, up here, 10 coins would have been worth $6,700. And that is just a $5 investment. You're spending $5 almost every day probably if you're going to McDonald's or Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts or whatever you like to get. And an investment of that, sort of amount would have been worth a lot of money right there on the gains in May. But ever since May, we've been, pulling back. Obviously down here, we're pulling back pretty much to where we were in February. So, I mean, it's still trading pretty decent on the year. It's still up on the year. I mean, at the beginning of this year, we were trading at around what? Down here at around $88, $89 or so. So we went from $89 to $263. So we're up about 200 to 300% depending. So this coin is still performing very well for the year compared to some of the other coins that we've been seeing, and especially compared to the stock market. The stock market, you will not be seeing gains like this in a short period of time because crypto is very more, a lot more volatile compared to stocks. So that is our number 2 altcoin, and now we get the number 3 altcoin on our list is going to be Polkadot, guys. So DOT. You guys should be very familiar with this one. One of the more popular coins on our list. So obviously this one is trading at $19.81. It is flat on the 24-hour chart. Market cap on this one is $18.9 billion right now, with the volume in the past 24 hours at $1.2 billion. Polkadot is going to be a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset by uniting multiple blockchains. Polkadot aims to achieve, a high degree of security and scalability. DOT serves as the protocol's governance token that can be used for staking to secure the network or to connect bond new chains. So this one in the past week, it is down about 10%. In the past 1 month, it is down about 32%. And then on the 1 year chart, Polkadot is still up over 635%, guys. So $1,000 invested into Polkadot will be worth around $6,000 or so. So nice gains right there. The coin was worth around $2.90 in last August. That is when the coin started to trade it, if you guys take a look at the longer chart. So obviously, less than a year, it's up over 600%. Those are some great gains. I mean, hitting highs up here of over $49 at one point. Obviously, since that point, we have cut, our value by about 50% or so. We did hit lows down here of under $18, closer to $17 or so. But right now, we're in a consolidation period, trading between that, $17 range and up here to highs of about $30. So it is a nice fluctuation from 18 to 30. That's almost about a 80% or so gain that you can continue to, buy on the dips and sell at the top or closer to the top and make some decent profits. So Polkadot is definitely another interesting coin that we are keeping on our radar to see how it will perform in the next few years. Coming into the number 4 spot, guys, is going to be Cardano ADA. So this one is currently pretty much flat, but up about almost 1% on the day. Currently trading at $1.39. It hit highs up here of over $1.46 at one point, with lows of under about $1.31 on the day. So this one has a higher market cap, a little bit higher than the other coins we talked about. The market cap on Cardano is at $44.3 billion, with the volume in the past 24 hours at around $2.3 billion. Now, obviously, Cardano is going to be a blockchain platform built on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Now, development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled security and stability. Now, the blockchain's native token, ADA, is named after the 19th century mathematician. So obviously, in the past 1 week, this one is down about 11%. On the 1 month chart, down 23%. And then on the 1 year chart, this coin is up over 1,600% still, at lows down here of about 0.08, so about 8 cents. It was under a dime, guys, right there. Hit highs up here of over $2.46, and this was pretty much when I believe Tesla said that it wasn't going to be accepting Bitcoin anymore. So we saw a pop up here from about 155 to all the way to 246 because people were looking for a greener coin. So we obviously talked about Polygon, Cardano, and some of these other coins that we also talked about. They had a huge pop here happen for about 2 or 3 days, and then a sell off back to where it was. But then obviously we had the market crash as well, or pullback. I guess you could say not a real crash, but it did pull back heavily in a matter of a few days. So I guess you could say that it was kind of like a crash or so. Now this one has been trading consolidating here from 133 to highs of about 170, 180, and we've been trading in that range now for about a month or so, and we're definitely going to be looking to see what's going to happen in July, what's going to happen in August, and are people going to start getting back into crypto, and will we see more momentum and more volume start to pick up on these coins. So obviously guys, these are going to be the 4 altcoins on our list to watch in the month of June. You guys let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about these altcoins? Are any of these on your watch list? And now let's take a look at some of the bigger coins and see what's going on. So Bitcoin down about 1%, hitting lows of about 33,000 at one point, with highs up here of about 36,000. So in the past 24 hours, down about 1%. In the past week, down 10% from highs up here of about 41,000. We were so close to hitting that 42,000 area that we talked about being a resistance area, but we could not break it. So the past month, we've been trading from that 32,000 area to 40,000 area, but we've been consolidating, pretty much trading flat. But then on the 1-year chart, obviously up 276% still, but still very far away from those highs of 64,000 that we saw here in April or so. So this coin is still down from those highs, but it is still up from the $9,000 range that we were trading at last year. Bitcoin at a market cap of 656.4 billion right now. But definitely another one that we're going to be watching to see what's going to happen. Is it going to continue to go up, or is it continuing to go down in the next few months? And can we get back to those highs by the end of 2021 or not? Now Ethereum is pretty much flat as well, almost up about almost 1% or so in the past 24 hours. Now in the past week, it's down about 13% from highs of 2,600 down there, and hit lows down here of about 2,000 or so actually on Sunday. Now in the past month, it is down about 21%. And then on the 1-year chart, up 857% from lows of about 243, hit highs up here at 4,400, and now we're in this consolidating period between the 2,000 and the 3,000 range. Obviously, if we break that area on the upside, we're going to continue to go higher. If we break it on the downside, we might see it continue on lower. What we're hoping for actually is for Ethereum to hit about 1,500 or lower. That would be a great dip buying opportunity in my opinion. Definitely to load up on some Ethereum, especially if you've been a long-term investor and you believe in the coin for the long term. Why would you not buy it at 1,500 if you were buying it at 2,500, 3,500, maybe even at the top at 4,400. So definitely would be a great buying opportunity, and something that I'm going to be looking forward to in the future as well, to see if Ethereum can pull back a little bit more and then buy it on the dip. Obviously market cap at 253.4 billion right now, and the volume in the past 24 hours at 22 billion. So Ethereum still doing very well on the 1-year chart, but it is pulling back right now with Bitcoin as well, as we see the whole crypto space take a little bit of a breather. And obviously we have Doge. So we talked about Doge around that support level at around the 30 cents area. Well, it broke through that area and continued to go down. We hit lows of about 25 cents actually. You can see on the week chart, we're down about 17%. On the 1-month chart, 33%. On the 1-year chart, it is still up over 10,000%, but that is because we saw this crazy momentum here happen when the whole crypto space pretty much got a lot of momentum going on here and hitting highs of 73, 74 cents. Now, we did say 30 cents was the support. We broke through that support, and we're continuing to go down, and it looks like Doge is going to continue to go down and down. If we see it break under 25 cents, that's when we have to start worrying and might see 20 cents or lower in the near future. Now, obviously, there's a lot of crazy people out there that believe that Doge is going to go to the moon and go to $1 per coin. I've been saying that that's not going to happen. In my opinion, I don't think it will. It was just a meme, just like we had GameStop and AMC in January. Obviously, now AMC is starting to get momentum once again. But, we hit those highs on GameStop in the beginning of January or end of January, and we haven't hit those highs ever since. And that's pretty much what's going on with Doge here. I don't think we're ever going to hit those 77 cents area, at least not, in the short term, maybe in the future, but that's going to be rare, or, pretty slim chances, I guess you could say. Now, obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not for, this is not financial advice. This is all for educational purposes, guys. So before investing into any coins or any stocks, speak to your financial advisor first. This is just my opinion. Obviously, right now the market cap is 34.6 billion, but Doge seems to be going on a downtrend. And if the crypto market continues on the downtrend, Dogecoin will as well. So that is something to be watching for the next few months as well to see how it's going to perform with the market. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these 4 altcoins. Leave a comment below if any of these are on your watch list. And what are you going to do with Ethereum and Bitcoin if they continue to go down? As always, smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. If you guys want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800, links are going to be in the description for that as well. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a good one. See you in the next one.